right, you schmegma schmurfs. Ooh. That's right, gotta one-hand it like a cholo sometimes. This box has came a very, very, very long way. Oh boy. Oh. 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 Oh yeah. All right, let me just. You guys don't understand how excited I am for this. Let me make sure that this lens is cleaned. Sweet. Just want to make sure good old Hector didn't leave me a sweet nothing note. This is just my LDY Aquatic, and it's a beautiful knife. I don't want you guys to be jealous, but it's beautiful. Sorry, I'm like losing it right now. Nova, knock it off. Making that noise, okay? Thank you. I tell you, Daddy's making a video, okay? Oh. All right, guys, sorry. Oh, wow, that's crazy to see in person. This is done by hand? Oh my God, that little notch right there. Oh. Oh man, this boy is thick, but holy shit, that's crazy. Oh, oh, don't drop it now. All right, boys, this is what a $1,000 Balisong looks like. Oh man, this thing is crucial. Oh. Yeah, this is crazy. And this isn't like a normal Rebola either. It's got a slight curve to it. Oh my God, dude. Hector, to hold one of your knives is a fucking honor. And I hope that doesn't get me in trouble, but it is. You guys, I can't explain to you the beauty of this. It's like jumping into a Japanese ocean would be the best way I could describe it. Oh my God. See, it's very sharp cornered, I guess, but like, then again, this is kind of something that I'm gonna be displaying. Oh man, this thing has just got layers and layers. Ooh. Ooh boy. Jesus. That's the only thing it's going to take some getting used to is the how big it is. And it's not exactly something that I would be doing tricks with, I guess. You can, it's just, this is more of a showpiece for obvious reasons. Anyways, so absolutely gorgeous. And this is a one of one. You will not find another one of these. This was on Black Balisong. It's not anymore because I got that shit. Okay, so. Okay. Let's take a look, see what we got here, boys. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you guys might be wondering, is this sharp? This side would hurt you. This side is razor sharp. Absolutely. And what you're seeing there is in between. These are sharp. And as we can see right there, there is a jawed out. Nice. Okay, well, that's kind of fucked up. Ugh. Whatever, I guess I could fix that myself. Shouldn't have to, but you know, it is what it is. I'm a big fan of his, and honestly, I'm just really excited. Hector is like a god amongst people who is in the Balisong world, and these Reaper channel handles are super nice. Yeah, this is crazy. And these cases are next level too. Let's see what else we got here, boys. Sorry about that. Them pouches. Oh. Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. This is crazy. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful Damascus. Same thing, we got a safe side, and then we got a not so safe side. And Chell Wong Balisong was touching on the one that she got, her Zolo. And if you guys haven't subscribed or checked out Chell Wong Balisong, great content, amazing flipper, and she is probably one of my favorite people. I also really like watching John Balisong Blunders, Den BMX. These are all people that if I met in person, I would consider them besties because I watch them that much. And when you see people with like taste, it's really exciting, especially when it comes to Balisongs, because it's one of those things that's kind of like a niche market, you know. This does have speed channels for like, well, not actually milled out, but these things are really nice, man. So there is one more, and it is, and mind you, I didn't even know I was getting all these. So this is, oh man, I got a little smudgy of oil there, which is okay. Oh, I really like this, dude. This is nice. And you guys can see it's got a little bit of curve there, a little bit of a slight dip. Holy shit, man. So this is, I think, G10 with either titanium or steel. Now the question I have is, did I get one with a Reaper on it? Oh my God, I didn't even know this was engraved. Dude. I cannot, okay, first off, Hector, this is okay. The first best unboxing I've ever gotten was from Flytanium, and mind you, that was my first top tier Balisong. This thing, I don't even know if I should, like, I've been keeping my Balisongs, like my EDC one, in my, sorry, these are my pants, but I have an Atropos, or Atropos, whatever you guys want to call, and usually these kind of, don't really work that well, but I wouldn't put this in there because of this. There's no way. This is crazy, man. Ugh. Sorry, I got fucking shit all over. This is really nice. I can't believe that I'm in possession of these. This is crazy. And if you guys haven't checked out Black Balisong, go to blackbalisong.com, check out his Instagram. He's got some pressure over there, man, because these baddies are nice. Holy shit. Oh my God, dude. You know what sucks? When you think you have Grail Balisongs and then you actually get Grail Balisongs. Oh my God, dude. See, this is something that I was like, fuck, man, I got the Zolo, I'll get the Reaper next time. This is so cool. I'm so fucking excited and grateful, man. And as you guys know, I've been going through a lot of shit, so this is like, it means a lot to me. It really does. And it's just really cool to have custom pieces from people that I look up to and that I'm in contact with, and you know, that I'm trying to hopefully develop some ideas that are gonna be, I don't know if they're gonna be as cool, but holy shit, dude, these are sick. Oh God. Do you know how crazy this is? That I got one of... So amazing. Oh. My daughter has been sitting here, and you guys have been hearing the same thing in the background because haven't been able to...
It can't work, Dad.
I know, I got it. There it is.
You did it.
The PlayStation remote was off, but yeah, these are amazing knives, guys. I will be doing a lot more of the video making with these, just trying to warm up to them. Holy shit, these are some nice knives, man. As always, guys, love you. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Subscribe to my Instagram. Check me out on Facebook. Now that I have socials, hit me up. I will talk to you as much as I would on YouTube, guys. Show some love, support. Let's get together. Let's figure something out. Let's talk about knives. That's why we're all here. You want to say hi, babies?
Look how I look.
I don't know. How do you look? You look crazy, girl.